So today after grocery shopping, I looked at the state of the freezer and what I had going on with the things I had bought, and I decided to do some food processing and food prep with some of the ingredients, and this is what I did today. So when I was at Grocery Outlet, they had boxes of mushroom stock for 99 cents. They were getting close to expiration, so I grabbed one. When I was at Safeway, I grabbed two bags of mushrooms that were also close to expiration. They were half off. They were already cut. Brought them home, sauteed them up with 2 onions and some garlic, and threw them in the broth. Put some thyme in there and just let it all cook together for a while. Looking forward to having this tonight, maybe tomorrow night, and whatever I don't eat into the freezer for another winter's night meal. I got a big package of chicken thighs at Grocery Outlet and immediately threw them in the crock pot. I'm going to do this one cook through of the thighs, and then I'm going to tear the meat off the bones and all that stuff and save the skin and the bones and roast them, and then put them back into the broth to make bone broth out of this. So this is a couple of day process, but it's so worth it. So these are the best pickles on earth, but they're gone. So I saved the brine and put some more cucumber slices in there, and we'll try it in a couple days, and maybe we can recreate the magic in the refrigerator and reuse this brine a couple of times. It's a good way to bring some flavor into vegetables. I was putting stuff away in the freezer. I realized I had one of these little Cornish game hens left, so I cooked that up, defrosted it, and cooked it up, and it's looking pretty good for dinner tonight. I saw some chicken rice at Dollar Tree, and I thought, well, I have rice and I have chicken broth, so I put them together and made some chicken flavored rice, which will go great with the Cornish game hen. And I finished my cooking day by taking several dented cans of mixed fruit, draining the liquid, throwing them in a baking pan, adding some cinnamon and a crisp topping with flour and oatmeal, and boy, did that come out good. Just tried a piece now, nice and warm. Doing this much food processing is not a weekly event for me. I had the day off. I was able to go grocery shopping, and I found some stuff in the freezer. It is good, though, when you have a lot of ingredients, to try to take care of them as quickly as possible or as efficiently as possible, and you will reap the benefits. It's part of managing your household well and managing your kitchen well and managing your money well. That's the way I look at it. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today, and have a wonderful evening.